That's the 2017 Corvette Club. Oh, dude, that's so awesome.
It's 2017, but there's an old Corvette Stinger.
Oh, look at that Stinger.
Rev it!
Rev it!
Rev!
Rev it! That gray one's super new. That's the 2017.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, 2017 Corvette. Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Yes! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Oh my gosh! Rev it! Rev it! For the YouTubes. Rev it! Yeah! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it!
That's the 2016 right there.
Rev it!
Darn it.
Ooh, yeah! Dude, there's so many Corvettes. I haven't seen this many Corvettes in years.
Rev it!
Rev it! Rev it!
Rev it! Rev it! Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at that! That one was so loud. Or no, dude, the one right. Yeah, the one up there.
Did you
so
see
loud.
Rev it!
Dude, rev it! Rev it!
We need the Stingray to rev it.
Rev it. Where's the Stingray? Over there, right?
There's two of them. Rev it!
Rev! Woo!
Rev it!
Rev it!
Rev it!
Woo! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Oh! Rev it! Rev it!
Stingray, yeah!
Oh, where's the Stingray?
Oh, there's two right there.
Oh, look at that! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Oh, yeah! Oh, look at this. Dude, there's so many Corvettes. I haven't seen this many in years. Rev it! Rev it! Car! Rev it! Rev it! Yeah!
Dude, that's some sick. Watch this one. Dude, do you know
Rev it!
Rev it! Chevy's made it.
Please step back to the curb. Thanks.
Okay.
All right.
Very much.
Cool. All right.
Rev it!
Rev it!
Rev! Mickey Mouse hands. Whoa, look at that! Challenger! Rev it!
Rev it!
Oh my gosh, I heard something. Rev it! Rev it! Oh, dude, we're gonna do the Challengers too? Rev it! Rev it! Woo!
The Challengers are gonna sound so good.
The Challengers and Chargers are up next, so we're gonna film that too.
Yeah, dude, those lights are.
Oh, this is gonna be like a 4-minute video just how.
Whoa, did you see
Whoa,
that?
dude, did you just do a burnout?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Look at those lights. Oh! Dude, this is legit just cars.
Tell them to rev it. We gotta tell all of them to rev it.
Yeah. Dude, these are gonna sound so good. Hey! Oh!
That's better than
That
the
was
Corvettes.
just about to pass.
Dude, no, they're way better. These are all American muscle.
Yeah. Dude, this is all American muscle. Right? Rev it! It's 4th of July.
You gotta do American Pride.
Come on! Rev
American
it!
Pride! Rev it! American muscle cars!
Dude, wasn't this in like Fast and Furious?
Oh my gosh, there's a Mustang back there.
Dude, that green one.
Look at that Shelby.
Ooh,
Rev it!
Rev!
Rev it!
Oh! Oh my god!
Burn out! Burn out! Burn out!
Burn out!
Tell them to burn out. Oh yeah.
That one? Yeah.
Yeah, like 2 miles an hour.
No, the one over there.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There's a Hellcat back there.
The what?
Oh my god!
Not a Challenger, a Charger. A Charger Hellcat is
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh! Dude, have you seen the Challenger Demon? It's 2018. It's the Demon.
Have you seen the Hellcat?
Yeah. The Dodge Demon's better. Yeah. Rev! Rev it! Dude, we gotta see this green one. That green one's nice.
Dude, that green one. Hold! Look at that.
Nah, dude, he's not gonna do it. The only reason he burned out last time was they were going a little bit fast. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he doesn't have enough.
Oh, dude, look at the car back there.
With guys.
I forget what it is. Come on, Rev! What's going so slow? No, all of these are Dodge. I think it's the Dodge Club. Oh my gosh.
There's a Mustang.
Yeah. I think it's just American Muscle.
Yeah.
Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Oh, yeah! 345 Hemi was the best until the yeah. Guys, Hemi's still guys. Turn around and scooch down. We're taking a picture.
As always.
He used to have a Mustang, remember?
Yeah.
But if he still had it.
He has a Mustang, but it's
Rev it! Rev it! Rev! Rev it! Burnout! Rev it! No.
Burnout,
Rev it! Rev it! Come on, rev it! You know you want to. Rev it! Hemi. Come on! Rev it! Rev it! Dude, let's get that one over here. That one has chrome wheel. Rev it! Woo! Man! Rev it!
There's a Dodge Dart down there.
Burnout! I have a Dodge Dart. What? Oh! Back at it again! Rev it! Rev! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it!
Will she do it?
It's too hot. Oh yeah, that car doesn't have air conditioning. Oh, it's true.
Oh yeah.
Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rumble, rumble.
So sweet though.
No. Rev it! Come on! Dude, these are chargers. Rev it! These are chargers. I'll show you the Rev it! Oh man, I know it's cool. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's not as cool as the Charger Challenge. Rev it! Dude, what's that one? That's oh, dude, that's a it's a heavy. That's a heavy. Oh, dude, it's so loud. I know. Where? The blue one back there. Oh my gosh.
Let's ask the blue.
Rev it!
Hey, wasn't Nick Calabrese? Let's ask the blue one to that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. Chrysler, rev it! Rev it! Rev it! That's also a powerful car. These are all powerful. Rev it! Dude, American Muscle. Rev it! Rev! Yeah, we have to. Rev it! Rev! Nah, dude, they're not going to. Okay, rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Come on! Rev it! Ooh, yeah. Ooh, sexy. Rev it! Ooh! That's it. Rev. Oh, dude, he has his 0 to 60! Dodge Dart! Woo! Rev! No, 0 to 60! Those are old Chargers. Rev it! Rev it! Dude, Superman! Superman! Rev it! How's he driving? How's he driving? No, with his knees, you know? Rev it! With his knees. Oh. Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Dude, that car was Wonder Woman. Yeah. Rev it! Rev it! Oh, yes! Rev! Ooh, yellow. Filming? Do they all like Rev it! Rev it! Oh, that's not as good. What? Rev it! What's your favorite? Darn it. At home. Last one! Rev it! Rev it! Ooh!
You didn't rev it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. Gorski!